Hi, I'm Kristy K, and today I'm going to talk to you about how for $100 you can bring a fall refresh into your master bedroom. I love an all-white bed, especially during the summer months, but when the temperatures start to drop, I love to bring in some warmer materials that just add a layer of luxury and coziness to it. So I went to my local Home Goods this weekend and I bought these fabulous Euro shams. They were $24.99 for a 2-pack. It's a linen blend with a little bit of shimmery detail to it to add a little bit of drama to the space. For me, winter means fur, all things fur. I found these two great faux fur blankets, $24.99 each. One I thought I'd layer on the bed, and then this other sheepskin I actually thought I'd put on the floor on the rug. So when you step out of bed, you step onto something really luxurious. Another item I found this weekend were some really pretty decorative pillows. One was a splurge at $40, but the other one was $16. Again, both from Home Goods. You can see the subtle dark tones mixed in. It's still a light balance, which works in the room, but by adding that depth of color, we get a little bit more drama to the space. Another thing I love to add for the winter months is a layer on top of the bed. So you can see here, there's a really luxurious coverlet on the bed, and then tucked at the end of the bed, I like to take a down comforter and layer it up so that if it is a chilly night, you have some extra layers. So not only does it look beautiful, but it also functions too. I think it's really important in the master bedroom to have a great space that you love coming home to. I tell my clients all the time, start in the master. The other rooms will work themselves out, but create a space for you that's calm and serene that you can come home to. It's the last thing you see at night, but then also the first thing you see in the morning. Make it a great space. I hope these were some helpful tips on how you can refresh your bedroom for fall.